Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows Server 19 using a virtual machine. So firstly, I name my virtual machine Windows Server 2019, and this is optional, but for me I changed where I wanted the virtual machine to be stored. So here you'll see me changing the file directory. Now I'm going to attach my ISO. If you see, you can see that the version automatically switched to Windows 2019. For the hardware, we're going to leave the base memory as is, and we're going to have the disk size set to 32 gigabytes. Next, we're going to press next and finish. And here you can see to the left hand side of the menu, the virtual disk has been created. Now we're powering up the Windows Server 2019. If you look to the right hand side of the screen, you'll see a preview as well as a percentage of how far the power up has gone along. Now we'll wait for the files to be loaded. Now we just wait for the files to be loaded. Be aware that if you do click your mouse inside the screen, this message pops up, which says that the host mouse will connect with the virtual machine. And thus, if you try to take the mouse outside of the virtual machine, it would not be connected. So for now, I would just recommend choosing not to connect it. Windows setup has now come up. You can leave the language settings as is and start the installation process. Here I chose the 64-bit standard evolution desktop version. Now please be aware the setup does take some time. So if you need to take a minute to step away from the computer and come back, that is okay to do. Now we choose the custom install only. Press next. And this here is the part where the setup takes some time. Once the installation has been completed, it takes you to customize your settings window. Here, you would create your password. And while a simple password is recommended, it is also recommended that you pick something that follows the format of, it includes a capital letter, common letters, at least one number, and one sign. So exclamation point, @, any of those, to make sure that the password is secure. We see the Windows Server 2019 fully connected. Now we're going to put in the password that we put in earlier when we were customizing our settings. The window is going to load for a little bit, so again you can step away for a few minutes if you so please. And here we see our Windows Server 2019 connected. If you look to the bottom right corner of the screen, you would see where it says the Windows Server 2019 Standard Edition. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you understand or learn how to connect a Windows Server using a virtual machine.